Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and healthy and delicious lunch creation. I'm going to make this right now for myself, so I thought I would go ahead and share it with you. It only takes 10 minutes, literally less than 15 minutes to make this dish. What is it? It's creamy avocado tuna salad. You know, it's a great summer lunch item or a snack. Any way you look at it, it's a great item. It's healthy, delicious. You know, tuna is rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals, B complex vitamins, A and D, as well as iron, calcium. I mean, it's a long list of health benefits. And then also, we all know about the benefits of avocado. Avocado is loaded with heart-healthy fats and antioxidant. I have a video that I did with the help of my colleagues a while ago. I'm gonna include the link down in the description. You can check it out. It's a great video. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and make this. So let's start. So I'm using 2 avocados, 2 small or 1 large, or however you want. You can change this any way you like. You can change the ratio to the avocado to the tuna salad. You can have more tuna. You can have more avocado. Of course, the more the merrier. So I'm doing 2 avocados, and I'm going 2 cans of tuna in water. So we need to drain the water. I don't use tunas in oil. I use my own oil, so that way I know what I'm getting, what kind of oil I'm getting. Anyway, so we got those, and then I'm gonna do half of juice of lemon, a medium-sized lemon, and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil. I'm using avocado oil. What oil would be better for this creation? I'm doing about a couple of stalks of diced celery. And then, of course, a 1/4 diced red onions. A tablespoon of parsley or cilantro. I'm using cilantro here. You can change it to parsley or you know, anything you like. And then some salt and pepper, of course a little more pepper. And then 2 cloves of garlic minced. You gotta have that. And then a little bit of Dijon mustard. Yeah, about that much. And we're going to mix it. There. I mean, literally, that's all it takes to make this lunch salad. There you go. I mean, it smells amazing already. Now you can eat this with a cracker, a baked chips, or make a sandwich. I'm going to make a sandwich with it. So there you have it. You know, you can taste it and see if you need to add anything else. And other than that, it's ready to go. So another thing we can do, I got some pork chicken from a rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna use the same exact recipe and make a creamy avocado chicken salad. You can do this very convenient. Just get like a rotisserie chicken from your local grocery store. Or there are little packets of white chicken in water. Those works too. Those, you can find them right by where you find the tuna, all of that tuna cans in the grocery stores. You know, but I find this a little tastier. So I mean, it's just all based on your preference. But this is a very good one. So just, you know, something else. These are very easy lunch ideas, you know, for summer or anytime. And you can add many more items to it. like grapes, walnuts. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. So here I have same exact recipe except with chicken. So I use those pork chicken that I show you, and I added to the same ingredients, and I made the creamy avocado chicken salad. You know, it's been a big game changer for me going from mayonnaise to avocado. It's been an incredible experience. You know, I'm so happy that I ditched the unhealthy mayonnaise and I went to avocado. And you know, I can eat it, enjoy it, and not feeling guilty that I'm eating something unhealthy. So I highly recommend doing it this way instead of using mayonnaise. It not only tastes much better, but it's also healthier for you. So whatever you have left over, I highly recommend to store it in a Tupperware dish like this with an airtight sealed lid. So it will keep it fresher and prevent it from going brown longer. I mean, still gonna go brown, but you know, it will take a longer time. So there you go, just like that. Hopefully, you know, last a day or so that you can have the same thing tomorrow for lunch again, or enjoy it as a snack sometime. Anyway, that's just a recommendation. So here we go. I made myself a sandwich on a toasted multi-grain thin bun because they're thin. And I'm enjoying it with some hummus, and I'm gonna grab some carrot sticks. So that's gonna be my lunch for today, and maybe I'll have the same thing tomorrow. Anyway, I wanna thank you for watching this short video with me. Hope you enjoyed it. And as always, if you did, consider liking, subscribing. Then that way you won't miss my weekly videos. And also leave me a comment, feedback. Let me know what you think about this. Tell me if you make anything like this or in a different way. You know, any recommendation, any thoughts, I would appreciate it. But anyway, thank you so much again, and I will see you in the next video.